What's the real cost of staying in your home? Hi there, and welcome back. I'm Penelope S. Tzougros, PhD, CHFC, CLU, financial planner, and author of Your Home Sweet Home. Before we begin, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about what you believe your home is still the right place for you, and for you physically, emotionally, and financially. Let's talk about the real costs of staying put. It's a question that sounds simple at first. Should I stay in my home during retirement? But the answer is anything but simple. Because when we talk about cost, we often think in terms of dollars and cents. But there are other costs, some harder to measure, but just as important. Let's look at 3 types of costs that come with staying in your home: financial, physical, and emotional. First, the financial cost. Let's start with the most obvious: monthly mortgage or rent, property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, upkeep, maintenance, repairs, landscaping, maybe HOA fees, maybe special assessments. Now, some people say, but I own my home outright. And that's great. Congratulations. But even without a mortgage, your home still has ongoing costs that can erode your retirement savings. I encourage you to add up all of these costs for a full year, everything related to the house, then divide by 12. Are you spending more than you realized? And more importantly, could that money be serving you better somewhere else? Could it fund travel, healthcare, education for your grandkids, more flexible housing? It isn't about guilt, it's about reclaiming control of your money in retirement. To this physical cost, now let's talk about the toll your house might be taking on your body. Can you still manage the stairs easily? Is it hard to shovel the driveway or mow the lawn? Do you avoid certain parts of the house because they're hard to access or keep up? These are signs that your house might no longer be a good match for your physical needs. And while many people adapt with grab bars, chair lifts, or ground floor modifications, not everyone wants to spend their time and energy on constant stream of fixes. If the house you loved is now working against your health and independence, that's a cost too. And here's the truth: small inconveniences today often become safety hazards tomorrow. Emotional cost 3. Finally, let's talk about the emotional impact. This one can be tricky because we're emotionally attached to our homes. And for a good reason. They hold our memories, our milestones, our identity. But sometimes the very things that used to comfort us start to wear on us. Maybe the house feels too big, too quiet, too lonely. Maybe it reminds you of people or routines that no longer are part of your life. Maybe it's not what you need now, even if it was perfect back then. But let's be honest, when you're retired, every stressor on your life can feel louder because you're not as distracted by work or a busy schedule. If your home feels like a source of pressure instead of peace, that's a cost worth acknowledging. So what's the answer? I'm not here to tell you to move or to stay. I'm here to encourage you to evaluate honestly. Make a list: financial, physical, emotional. What are the pros and cons of staying? Where is your home serving you, and where is it costing you? If you decide to stay, stay because it works, not because it's familiar. If you decide to leave, leave because you're choosing a better life, not because you're giving up. And most importantly, know that either way, you are in charge. In my book, Your Home Sweet Home, I walk you through several stories of people who faced the same question and found different answers. Some stayed and adapted, others left and found joy in new beginnings. The point isn't to find the right answer, it's to find the right answer for you. So, I want to hear from you. Have you considered the hidden costs of staying in your home? What surprised you when you really looked at the numbers of your physical and emotional needs? Let me know in the comments below. And if this helped you, if it helped you think differently, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. I'm Penelope S. Tzougros, and if you're ready to explore your options more deeply, I would be honored to help. Call me at 781-577-2311 or visit wealthychoices.com. And let's build a plan that gives you clarity, stability, and confidence about what comes next.